dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia and I'm back with another hair review. Another day, another slay. Y'all know the vibe. So first and foremost, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. I know we have an amazing year ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and speak that into existence over myself and over you. This is your first time seeing me this year. Be sure and watch my Boss Up video. I started a challenge and I want you guys to join in on the movement. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure and watch it. I'll have that in the description box down below as well as at the end of the video. So dolls, I'm here with this beautiful hair from Tinashe, and guys, let me tell you, y'all know I don't be reviewing bundles, okay? So I'm gonna let you know just off the bat, the only reason I'm reviewing this hair is because from what I can tell, this hair is A1 quality. So it's really affordable. If you're interested in learning more about this hair and learning more about this slayage, make sure you keep watching. This is a loose wave hair from Tinashe Hair. I got 4 bundles. I got 120 inch, 122 and 224 inches, as well as a 20 inch frontal. I decided to bleach the knots on this frontal. If you're not familiar with bleaching your knots, I'll be sure to link the video in the description box down below. Please note that any item used in this video will also be included in the box underneath the video as well. As you can see, this hairline does not come pre-plucked, so I decided to pluck the hairline just a little bit with my tweezers to make this unit look more natural. Now onto this unit. So I already did my ball cap off camera. You guys already know how I do it. I have a video dedicated strictly for it. If you haven't seen it, I'll have that in the description box down below as well. So dolls, as you already know, I have videos on this, but I was thinking about doing some updated videos on customizing your wig. If you're interested in seeing an updated video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll get that straight to you as soon as possible. Okay, so because you know Meek Mill's out here trying to start a revolution and rally about women wearing wigs, so we need to shut that down, okay?
Wigs aren't going nowhere. They're gonna have to get used to it, okay?
And Meek Mill is part of the he's part of the revolution anyway. We be rocking his braids under the wigs. I don't know what his problem is. Anyway. Okay, though, so now that I cut my hair, my head size is just slightly smaller, so I did sew on this elastic band to make sure that it fit nice and snug. I'm going to just cut the excess off. I'm gonna leave a little just in case I have to redo it another time. And lastly, before I try this wig on, I'm going to apply some of my powder to the inside of this cap. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I am using a darker cap right now, so I don't want the scalp to be dark. So I'm going to just apply some of my Fit Me powder to the inside of this lace. Y'all know the routine. I do this every video. And I'm just going to rub it on the inside. Okay, so now I'm going to proceed and cut the lace off of the frontal. And as always, guys, you know, you want to cut as close to the hairline without cutting the hair. And I do like to do it in sort of a zigzag motion. I find that it helps it to lay a little bit more natural like that. Okay, so this is what the hairline is looking like right now. And I'm ready to put it on. So this part is definitely optional. You don't need to do this because you have the elastic band. So my wig is pretty secure right now. It's not going to go anywhere. For added protection, I would suggest sewing a comb to the back of your wig cap and then taking that comb and tucking it under the elastic band, and that just makes sure everything is nice and secure. You can get that from off of an old wig. You can get it from your local beauty supply store. I'll see if I can find some on Amazon, and I'll provide the links in the description box down below. So right now, the only thing left that I have to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut some baby hairs. Just a few, not too much. Okay, and I like to cut my baby hair. I recently started cutting it with my little razor. I just feel like it gives a better cut for baby hair. This way it's not all even. And I just kind of like shave it down. Same thing for this side. So before I lay it down with some gel, I'm going to just take some of this Gots to Be glue freeze spray and apply it to the perimeter, and then I'm gonna tie my hair down for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the scarf off. Okay, and now I'm going to lay some of my baby hair, and I like to use the Style Factor gel. I'm just gonna take this hot comb and press it over these roots just to lay it down a bit. Touch up some of these spots with this powder. I love how big this hair is. Y'all know I love big hair. And girls, y'all not gonna believe I only use 2.5, actually less than a half. This is how much I have left of that third bundle. So it was like 2.25 bundles, and I have the whole other bundle left. And look how full it is. I might add in a little bit more just to make it a little more fuller, just because, like I said, I love big hair. But you know, again, that's totally optional. That's really up to you and up to your preference. I'm going to just wet the top just a little bit to slick this down over here. Adding a little bit of these curls back to the front since it dropped when I bleached the knots. So just be prepared that the curl does fall just a little bit once it is wet or washed. So just FYI. But as you can see, it curls right back up, just as lovely. I don't know what size barrel this wand is, but I'll be sure to include that in the description. And dolls, this is what it is looking like. Do you like? Let me know. Let me know if you like. I love. Okay guys, let me give you a little bit of the specs on the hair. So you did see that I did pluck the knots. This is how much hair I took out, which is not really that much. So I just lightly plucked it. I didn't do anything major. Again, this is Tinashe here, and I can tell you guys, you know I am Queen Lazy. I don't usually review bundles. The only reason I did agree to this collaboration is because I researched everyone who reached out to me to collaborate, and I honestly could tell you that I have not seen any bad reviews on this hair. So that's the only reason why I'm reviewing this hair, is because I feel like it is a quality hair that I would like you guys to give a try. So yeah, I looked at all reviews from influencers to small YouTubers, and I have not seen any bad reviews on this hair. I haven't seen any bad comments from customers on this hair, and that really says a lot. Because I know, for one, like when I first started doing YouTube, I remember it was this one brand, I'm not going to mention their name, but you know, your faves are probably brand ambassadors for this company. And I remember when I first started, I was like, if this company reaches out to me to collaborate, I know I'm official. And I can tell you that the company has reached out to me, and I never responded to them, because after I started researching, I noticed that all the good reviews were from influencers. All the comments or reviews from smaller YouTubers basically were bad. So since it was bad, I decided not to review it. And since this hair had such great reviews, I decided to give it a try, and I am happy with it. I really am. So I feel like you guys can buy with confidence. And one thing I'm going to start doing in my videos is I'm going to start having a section. I'm going to dedicate a section in the comment section down below for anyone who has either tried the brand that I'm reviewing, tried the hair, for them to chime in and either give it a thumbs up and approve it, or if they've had a bad experience with it, for them to leave the comments below. I want to create a community for you guys, and it has to be, we have to watch out for each other, right? So I always hear stories about, you know, brands sending the influencers better hair than the paying customer. So the only way around this is if the brands know that if they reach out to me, I'm gonna have a community section in the comment section down below, and if they don't send the customers good hair, they're not gonna get any sales. So that's the best thing I could do, because I really do care about you guys, and I don't want you guys wasting your money on vendors that don't deserve it. So that's the best thing I could think of, to where we just like look out for each other. So as always, guys, you know I'm gonna need y'all to name this wig, okay, before we get out of here, okay? Okay, so let's name this a beautiful wig, and all the links to purchase this hair will be in the description box down below. And if you're not a part of this family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. And don't forget, guys, I need y'all to join my Boss Up Challenge. It's 2019. We got to do big things this year. So if you want to know more about the challenge, be sure to watch my video. I'll have it at the end of this video. And until next time, guys, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.